Here we are with our first major snowfall for the year. Let's check in and see how everybody's doing. Here is the koi fish. They're way down at the bottom, and the ducks are just waiting to get in. Starting to slush up on the end. We just turned the pump off yesterday, but we do have our freeze miser dripping. So the fish are at the bottom. The ducks can't wait to get in. The turkeys. Izzy and Frankie, they already had breakfast this morning. And there is Mr. Turkey. And there's Mama Hazel and Peanut. This is Peanut's first time seeing snow. What do you think, Peanut? Is it super fun? Howard chilling under the hay feeder with some of his chicken friends. We have the peacock's waterer hooked up. Another freeze miser, so this will just drip continually. Here's our guinea hen.